My mom's making me change. She doesn't want me to go to hell. So she already had a dream about me, so yeah. So I'll be back with the proper clothes because these pants aren't pants either. Too many holes in them. And she doesn't like that. It's about to get hot in here real quick because I had to shut the AC. Guys, we're here. We're at what is this place called? Garment District?
Yes, ma'am.
Garment District in Boston, Cambridge. I don't even know what part of Boston we're in, but we're about to pay the parking meter and then I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm inside because this Boston parking is really me up right now. Like, people are just trying to pay on their phones or pay by the coin. I barely have coins, so we'll see. Oh, by the way, this is Basha.
Oh, hey everybody. Nice to meet you.
Ghana babe. I'm gonna get out of it so I can focus on you. You know the vibe, you know the vibe. Wait till your mom sees you in these hellish clothes. Don't worry, this is the top. Right. She doesn't want me to go to hell, so I have to put on, you know, a respectable top. These jeans. And these jeans are very, very. Ooh. She said these are okay if I'm sitting in the house. So guys, we'll see you guys when we pay the parking meter because I have to figure that shit out. So. Renegade! Lego. Hope this place is not boof. But that's the kind of vibe it's giving me. It's the lace front for me. Oh, that's sad. It's very scary looking, honestly. This is really Halloween. Okay, how are you feeling about that? I think this is really like 12 out of 10. You can really wear it to the beach, you can wear it
church,
to the club. At church especially. And it fits just right too. Okay, this is actually a valid spot for Halloween costumes. Not gonna cap. Look at the thingies. What are those called? That's what you made for your thing, remember? Oh yeah. But I want clothes. Should we go upstairs? Yeah. The way. How about those? This is really cute. I don't know what the
Oreos.
This is a vibe. Basha Saeed. This place is huge. Are you looking for something like this?
Kinda. But the pink is really something I'm a little scared about.
I cannot picture you wearing that. If I see you wearing that, I'll actually be like...
Neutral color type of girl.
You do like your purples.
I do. I really do.
This is really big though, and I don't like the ruffles.
Yeah. It gives me like Will Smith, the show he was in.
Yeah. Fresh Prince.
Yes, it gives me those vibes.
This place has a lot of that type of vibe of clothes. Like if you're trying to take it back to that time, then yeah.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute actually. I mess with that.
I'm gonna have to wear it and see because yeah, raincoat is valid. I don't have any raincoats.
Really?
Like whenever it rains, you guys be pulling it out and I'm like, can I borrow one of yours? Rikia is BAASH's sister. She said she wanted something. Rikia, I got you. Don't worry, I'll put it in the bag. Tab is on me.
You want this for the beach?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty cute.
Just for when we go away. Hey.
Is that a dress?
What's they gonna say? Hey.
Is that a dress?
A dress towel.
Oh.
Feel it.
Look at the elastic on the waist, just to give you a little cinch. Just to give you a little.
You know, curve. Show you curve off a little.
Show me what you're working with. The temperature in here is really something. Shawls. I think I'm set.
Me too.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Can you hold this? I'm gonna try this on. Guys, bear with me. I'm really new to this whole thing. Period. This music makes me want to dance like this. This is big, but the way you post. It's supposed to have something to
Clip? To what?
Like a shoelace running through there.
Oh, that would have been lit.
Maybe I can add one.
Oh, she's gonna upcycle, y'all. Get it. Get it. Get it.
This is kind of cute, but it's really wrinkled.
That gives me investigator vibes.
Life.
Oh my gosh, please no. Maybe I don't see the vision. If you think this jacket is cute and I'm just being a hater, please comment.
Leather.
That's a vibe. I think if that fits you, you should get it. Do you want to see? We could buy from here and have a fire costume. Yeah. But honestly, I don't know if Halloween is happening this year. Oh, yeah. You think? Well, no one's going to school. Ooh.
Guys, look at this Goodwill store. Just take a look. Do you see it?
No, see the bus.
Do you see it? Do you? That's the Goodwill store. That behind the tree, behind the tent, in the front of the in between the that's the Goodwill store. I'm really about to speed shop because the way my stomach is like.
I feel like we'll spend half an hour max. It doesn't look like there's a lot of ground to cover. At all.
And I have to go park. I have to go park over there because I'm pretty sure this is a tow zone.
Okay.
Why does this all say no parking?
But why are people parking? That's my question. Is someone beeping at you? Boston is really quite the place.
The way people be honking at me and I really don't care. I act like I didn't hear it. And then he's going like this way, going this way, trying to go around me and I'm like, don't care. Still don't care.
Okay. Still don't care.
It's very hot in this bed. It smells like La cucaracha. Yo, it smells like a morgue.
This is really sad, honestly. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why Boston really just isn't doing it today.
Yo, the way it smells. Through the mask too.
Look, they have a little Patagonia. I think this is the little kids section.
Oh.
Silver boots?
That's giving me very
What did she say though?
Oh, I wish I was home. Something like that.
Take me home, take me home.
I'm hungry. I don't even know what the ghost says. Okay guys, so we are going to get some food. You guys can't really see me, but we're gonna have to try. So we're going to this Korean/Mexican place, but ooh, I thought it was my hair. It wasn't my hair. We went to this Korean place, but the way we were looking for parking, guys, Boston parking is so ugly. Like, where do you guys park? Like when you come to Boston, what? You guys just don't park? You guys just walk? Why was this tense? As we pulled up to the restaurant, we saw parking and it said 2-hour parking, like in front of the restaurant. I just noticed it, so now I'm getting my car and bringing it there because after I'm eating my food, I don't want to have to walk all the way here, right? Okay, thank you. Idiot, idiot. Like, look, we're in the same spot. You really cut me off for what? You did this for why? U-turn. And there's Basha in the parking lot. Bye, y'all. I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm inside the restaurant. Bye. Can I please get the kimchi fritas? Also, can I get the fried chicken?
He has like
what is
fries with this big
Gonna kill her or should I?
you please?
Oh my gosh, it's really thick. I'm really scared. I have to show you that. It's squishing in my fingers. Can you put it in the trash?
I can't touch it. After use the bathroom, when they don't have one, we didn't get to wash our hands. We had to use sanitizer.
So just know we're dirty. We're eating and we're dirty.
Dirty girls.
Okay guys, so we just went around the world trying to find somewhere to wash our hands because we were refusing to be dirty. But we got our food. I'm going to show you guys because it looks really good.
I'm gonna get up.
It's very clear.
Maybe soda I recommend 10 out of 10. How does this?
Green tea? Ready? Thumbnail. I don't know how to. Wait, should I hold this? Wait. Can you even tell it's rice? Should I do something better? You can't even tell it's rice. Clickbait. Okay, I want to taste kimchi for the first time. I'm scared. Guys, it's the kimchi for me. But I want to try something new. And the egg is runny too, and I don't eat that.
That was enough.
That's it away too. I'm good. It's good. It's alright. Guys, I got French fries loaded with beef, kimchi, and an egg. Would you like to taste? Really?